Hello guys, so we are back with another problem from TensorTonic. So this problem is paired sequences and it has been given medium title, but it's fairly simple. So this is a standard NLP preprocessing where we pad sequences of tokens. Okay, so the idea being like we have to give a fixed size of sequence length to our model, okay, so that it can train properly. So in order to do that, we define two things. One is this pad value, another is max length. Okay, so as you can see in this example, like let's say we have been given this kind of tokens here, okay, 1 5 3 8 2. Okay, now there are sequences of them, and you can see like this, all this sequence of tokens have varying length. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to give them a standard size, okay, or like a fixed size, okay, which is 6 here. Okay, so as you can see, after padding, oh, I just added a new sequence, but yeah, after padding you can see like we are basically appending our pad value, okay, to those sequences. Okay, so this is, yeah, so that's all what we have to do. Okay, so in this problem statement, what we have to do is like we have been given this token ID sequences, we have to pad them with a special value, okay, to match the length of the longest sequence. Okay, now the thing is, the requirements are, if the max length is none, okay, we have to figure out what is the maximum length of the sequence we have. Okay, otherwise we have to like either truncate all the sequences to the max length provided. Okay, or after padding we again have to do truncate. So yeah, the idea is basically like convert every sequence of to the same length. Okay, so cool, so things are pretty simple. So what I need to do is first I will check if max length is equal to none. Okay, if it is none, then I have to figure out what's the max length, and in order to do that I will basically use the maximum length among all the sequences. So what I will do, I will define max length as let's say -1. Okay, then I will iterate over all the sequence in sequences. Okay, and I will simply store the max. Yeah, I will update my max length to len of sec. Okay, so with that my max length will have the maximum length of a sequence, like maximum length among all the sequences. Okay, cool. Now once I have done that, well, then what I will do is, and now I need to pad them. Okay, so what I will do, I will iterate over all the sequences, but now since I need to do in order modification, like in place modification, so I will be using indexes. Okay, so I will say for in length sex, then I'll say this while len of sex of I is less than max len. Okay, so len of I, keep on appending pad value. Okay, now for a safety check I can do something like this. Okay, this I can truncate it to max len. Okay, and yeah, once this is done, I can simply return the array form of sequences. Okay, cool. I guess that's all what we have to do. If I run this, cool, so initial test cases pass. Now if I submit, and voila, it got accepted. So yeah, it was a medium problem, but it was pretty easy. So things were pretty simple. Cool. So if you like this video and like the explanation, please do do a like to this video, and you can subscribe to the channel to get more content on TensorTonic, and you can see me like how I am solving this kind of problem. So cool, so stay tuned to watch more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.